I'll look the other way.
Mason Noah record. It's been 1,732 days since we first met. 1,732 days since I met the man of my dreams. The sweetest, goofiest, most thoughtful, generous, and handsome man I've ever known.
And I'm feeling like it was only ever you.
Caroline, from the moment we met, my life has been forever changed by you and your love. I cannot express my love and gratitude for you enough. You're my partner in life, my best friend, and my other half. Whenever we're together, everything bad in the world just disappears. With you by my side, I feel invincible and I can do anything I want to.
Hi.
I think I early too. No.
I have a
I was-
tissue
oh,
in my eye. This is what I spent all morning doing.
First, I would like to say welcome everyone to Caroline and Mason's wedding. Without your love, support, and guidance, we wouldn't be here today.
My promise to you is to continue to love you unconditionally, to always be there when things get tough, and to support you in your dreams to the fullest extent, to continue to put a smile on your face every day and to make you feel like the most special woman in the world, to love and protect you, to provide a marriage filled with success and happiness. I love you.
Today, I choose you as my life partner, and I promise to continue choosing you every day after, through thick and thin. I promise to be an honest and loyal wife and mother to our future children. And I promise to never let a day go by where you don't know how much you are loved and valued and appreciated. You're my best friend, my rock, and I can't wait to continue living and loving and growing with you until we're old and gray. Here's to forever. I love you.
Vic and I have been riding motorcycle for a while. And riding motorcycle has its challenges. The roads are twisty, sometimes they're bumpy, sometimes they're rocky. Sometimes we might even find ourselves driving in the wrong direction. But yet we always together find our destination. And marriage is like that. It's going to be rocky. And it's going to be bumpy. You're going to have obstacles. But my wife says it's all about the adventure.
You may kiss the bride.
Here's the Mason and Caroline's adventure. I love them.
If you all can please rise for the main event, the reason why we're all